Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. You are going to love the 2013 Sonata Hybrid. This all-new hybrid has all the style and premiums you expect in a Sonata, along with 37 city, 39 highway miles per gallon. And unlike other hybrids on the market, it uses a breakthrough lithium polymer battery pack, which runs cooler, lighter, and is shapeable for optimum packaging. More power, less fuel, no guilt, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.